Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how to install Heron Instruments data logger software. We will set your logger up on a mission, download and compensate your data in just 4 easy steps. In order to set up your Heron DiproLog on a mission, you will need a new data logger, a software communication cable, and the Heron data logger software. If you're going to compensate your data, you will also need a bar log. Step 1. Download the software. To download the Heron DiproLog software, go to heroninstruments.com. From the main page, click on the Resource tab and choose Download/Resources. Then click on Download DiproLog software. Follow the Microsoft or Mac OS prompts until the software is downloaded and saved on your computer desktop. Step 2. Configuring your logger on a new mission. To start the logger on a new mission, make sure the Heron software is open. Unscrew the black cap from your logger. Then plug the USB communication cable into your computer and connect it to your logger. Click the Connect button on the bottom left of your screen, and the device-specific information will be displayed. Click on the Settings tab along the bar at the top of the screen. Now it is time to set the logger up on a mission. First, assign a project name. We are going to use Heron Instruments. Please note that multiple loggers or bar logs can be grouped in the same project. Then assign a deployment name or an identification. We are going to use well number 1. The time zone should auto-populate from your settings in your computer. Now we're going to input the distance to datum from top of well to the data logger 0 point. We are going to input 30. Then choose the unit of measurement. We are going to use metric. Input total depth from the very top of the well to the very bottom and choose the same unit of measure. We are going to input 60 meters. Either choose immediate start or future start. If you choose future start, input a future start date. We are going to use immediate start. Under the linear section, choose the frequency that you want the data to be recorded. We are going to take readings every 5 seconds. Now click Start a new mission. Then click Done. You are now ready to deploy your logger with either a suspension cord or direct read cable. Step 3. To retrieve your data. After deployment, open the software and connect the data logger to your computer and click Connect at the bottom left of the screen. Then click Download, shown under the Overview tab. Once the software has completed the download, click Done. Then go to the Data tab on the top bar. This will display all of the logger's data in the chart and graph format. Disconnect the data logger and close the program because your data has now been automatically saved in the software under the specific project. Step 4. Compensating with a barometric pressure logger. To manually compensate your main data with barometric pressure, you will need to configure a barometric logger and deploy it on a mission at the same time as the data logger you're planning on compensating. Configure your bar log the same way as a typical data logger, same as Step 2. When the bar logger overview loads on your screen, click on the Settings tab along the top bar. Please note, input the same project name for the bar log as you did on the corresponding data logger. So we're going to input Heron Instruments. This will group the bar logger and the data logger to the same project. For deployment name, we are going to use Wells 1 to 8 bar log. Input the start information. We are going to use immediate start. Input the linear time interval. We are going to use 5 seconds. Click Start a new mission, then close your program. Deploy the bar log in the same location as the wells that you are planning to compensate the logger's data with. Please note that a bar log should not be deployed in water because it is measuring atmospheric pressure only. After deployment, retrieve and download your data from the bar logger. Connect the bar log to your computer and click Connect at the bottom left of the screen. Then click Download, shown under the Overview tab. Once the software has completed the download, click Done. After downloading the bar log data, you can disconnect it. Then go to the reference project on the left of your screen and click on the stored 128 dipper log that you would like to compensate. We will do well number 1. Then click on the Data tab. To compensate the data, click on the Select Bar Log drop-down in the center of your screen. The serial numbers for all bar loggers configured with the same project name will appear in the drop-down. Choose the corresponding bar log serial number, shown under the same project name at the left of your screen. Once you click on the bar log serial number, the dipper log's data has now been automatically compensated for barometric pressure using the data from the bar log we chose, and will be saved. Now close out of the software. So this is how you use the Heron Dipper Log software. For more information on how to use the Heron Dipper Log software, please see the manual available on our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.